Greetings, all I and I's. How are all the I's doing out there on this lovely day? Today, we back in the kitchen with another Vital ital food video, and we are making some spelt date pies. Spelt flour for the out coating, and then we're going to fill it with some dates. So we're going to be using the last bit of our coconut flakes in there. We're going to be adding some chia seeds in there, and be adding some ground cinnamon in there. So let's get right on to it. I have my bowl ready to mix in some flour. Go ahead and pour the flour in. I'm going to tell you when to stop. Alright, that's enough.
Stop!
Yeah, that's actually too much. We're not going to be doing that much. Alright.
Now we need water.
Now we need some water. We're going to put water in there once we put all of our ingredients in there. Alright, now do your chia seeds like this. Alright, now pour it in there. Get another half a tablespoon. Alright. Stir that up. Good job. And now, your dates. Go ahead and put your dates in. Good job.
You say stop.
Yeah, keep going until I say stop. That ain't enough. Yeah, go ahead and keep doing it. Keep getting them out. Now I have to stop that and put them. Yeah, keep putting them in there. Good job.
Stop.
You think that's enough?
No.
Alright. Go until you think it's enough. This is some ginger paste that I have. It's just ginger. And also we're gonna be putting some cinnamon in there. I gotta get the other cinnamon. Alright. You think that's enough?
Yep.
Alright, that's enough. Alright, now for the cinnamon. Add some more. Alright. Stir that in. Hold on, wait a minute. Alright. Now add the vanilla in there. Alright, good job. What did I say?
That's stop.
Alright, yeah. There you go. Wow. Stir it all in. Good job. Now I'm gonna add baking powder, all of that in there. You gotta do it like this. Alright, good job. So we added the chia seeds, we added, well, let's add a little bit of hemp seeds too. Add a little bit of hemp seeds.
Stop.
Alright, now stop. Okay, good job. Stir everything in. Do you want to add some dried cherries to it?
Yeah.
Do it like that. Alright, and we're adding some dried cherries to it. Just a little bit. Alright, good job. Now let's add some walnuts. Now we're adding walnuts to it. Yeah, you're making a mini pot pie, mini date pot pies, and all types of good, healthy nutritions. Alright, so now let's add the water. Pour the water.
We say stop, say stop.
Alright, stop. Let's see if that's enough water.
That's enough water.
Stir it all in. Ooh, these would be some good cookies too. But we're making these pie things right here. We're making these pies. Alright, go ahead. Let's add a little bit more water to it. Go ahead and stir it up and drip. Get in that corner too. Yeah, you see that? Yeah, bring that into the middle. There you go. Good job. I need to put some more water in it. I added some more water in. Yeah. Let's whisk it. Let me see. I'm just trying to taste to see if it has enough seasoning in it. Bring it down. Or just a little bit in. Just a little bit. Just a little bit at a time.
That's enough. Stop. That's enough. Stop. That's enough. Stop.
Alright, let's get the spoon. Good.
Let's make more. Let's make some more.
I think it's supposed to go like that so it can be an actual pie. And you gotta hold it with 2 hands. And we gotta put it over to the closer to the edge. Try to do something right. Alright, and then let's put this over here. Alright, now let's close it and wait until the light turns green, and we'll check it. And this is the name of it. Alright, let's check it, see how it's going. Midway. Ooh. That's midway. Midway, we checking it, it ain't finished yet. Alright, so I'm poking holes in it. Seems as though the bottom is done. Seems as though the bottom is done, but let's see. Yeah. See? The bottom is done, but the top ain't though. The bottom is done, but the top ain't though. This part is burning. Alright, so about 30 minutes later, I checked it and it is done, as it seems like. See, the bottom is done. I didn't want it to get burnt, so the top is a little bit not done all the way, but it still has that chewy type of texture. As you can see, I would recommend poking holes in it before the 20-minute mark. So as it's cooking about like 10 minutes in there, just go ahead and poke some holes at the top so it can cook through. See, now I'm showing you the bottom is crisp and the rounds is crisp, so it's good to go. Let's do us a taste test. So I'm cutting it down the middle. Look at there. These are some mini date pies. Very chewy on the inside. We didn't want it to be too hard. We didn't want it to be like a cookie. We wanted some moist inside of it. So I'm showing y'all how it looks on the inside. This is good. This turned out to be exceptional. For the first time, us making some date pies like this. See, check the inside. It has a little bit of more moisture in there, but it's all done and cooked. You don't have to worry about it. Spelt flour is good for this. If you was using like all-purpose flour, I wouldn't like eat it like that. I would cook it all the way through. If you're using all-purpose flour and enriched bleach flour and all of that, I would cook that all the way through. It looks like it's not done in the middle, but it is. It's like chewy and gooey and stuff, which is good for me. This a winner for me. It's a winner for me. Good job. And the other one. Good job. Happy 4th birthday.
It's no candle.
Hold on. Hold it. Happy 4th birthday to you. Happy 4th birthday to you. Yay! Did you make a wish?
Yeah.
Good job. Now, it's time to dig in.
Yeah.
That's just for the aesthetics. Alright. We can cut it in 4s. This is your birthday pie. Your alkaline birthday pie. Alright, now taste it. Sharing, good thanks and gratitude for y'all tuning in to another vital food video. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what you're cooking in the comments. Let me know what y'all doing in the comments. And let me know how you creating sustainability, bartering, and health and wellness in our community in the comments. Ashe, ashe, ashe. Peace.